I'm currently on the Webflow website, and if you know Webflow, they have some of the best, or let's say, nicest looking website templates. These that you're seeing right now are Webflow templates. Now, I've created a new blank WordPress page here where I'm going to clone or convert or copy some of these Webflow templates and then paste them right here inside WordPress. So we'll end up with the exact Webflow template design inside our WordPress website. All right, so on Webflow, I'll find a template that I like, then I'll simply open that template. Okay, let's preview it in the browser. This is one beautiful Webflow template I'm going to convert to WordPress, or in other words, clone as a WordPress website. To do this, I'll use the HTML to GreenShift Google Chrome extension. Here it is. I already have it installed. So I'll click the extension, and now it's asking me whether I want to capture this page. I'll simply hover my cursor over the area that I wish to clone, and then click. Now, I want to clone this website section by section. As you can see, I can copy or clone individual elements, but to make life simpler, I'll just clone it section by section. So here's one section. I'll simply click this area, and the Chrome extension will copy the design to the clipboard. Next, I'll head over to my WordPress page, right-click, and paste what I've copied from Webflow. And as you can see, with just one click, I've been able to transfer or convert or clone the Webflow website template to WordPress. It's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and publish this page and then view the front end to see what it looks like. All right, so as you can see, we have almost the exact clone of the Webflow template. Now, when you visit the original Webflow website, you'll notice that there are some animations. For instance, this 360-degree rotation animation that never stops. In web design, we call this an infinite loop rotation. Unfortunately, that animation wasn't captured by the extension, so we don't have it here. However, the GreenShift plugin comes with its own animation settings. So if we come here, you'll see animation settings. We can animate the same elements that we're rotating on Webflow, and we can accomplish the same thing right inside WordPress using these settings. But I'm not going to do that now, unless you specifically request it in the comments below. You can try this yourself. All the relevant links are in the description below. Go check them out and give it a try. Now, this is another Webflow template with minimal animations. I've already opened it, so let's try cloning this one as well. I'll click to capture, wait for the copied confirmation, then go into WordPress and paste. Everything has been pasted. Let's see what it looks like. And as you can see, we have the exact same design of the Webflow template, except for the animations. Let's also check if it's responsive on mobile. And yes, as you can see, it looks great on mobile too. Now I'm going to add a very simple animation just to show you what's possible inside GreenShift. So I've added a simple clip-up animation. You can add any type of animation you want. These are just some of the basic ones. You can even enable advanced animations to create really, really powerful effects. I've gone ahead to copy the entire Webflow template, so let's look at it on the front end. Here's the original Webflow template, and here's our clone inside WordPress. I think it looks really good, especially if you want something to start with. This looks very, very close to the original. So this is our clone.